Hi there, Loy Machedo speaking to you from loymachedo.com. Who's Loy Machedo? Think personal branding. Okay, we have this news from UAE. Again, one more. New UAE law on unmarried. By the way, this is going to be an adult video where I'm going to speak on adult stuff. So if you're listening with your family and your children, be careful because I'm going to talk about, you know what I'm talking about, the erections and all that. Okay, fine. New UAE law on unmarried parenting. Means you didn't marry in the church, in the mosquito, and in the dumble. Okay, you didn't marry. Sexual assault, sexual and extramarital affairs, which anyway happens every day. You know, the Russian, how much? 500 only, 500. Oh, you want this nice booty? You want this nice booty? Okay. No. I want you give me 500. You know, I saw this one video of one prostitute. She's naked on the hallway. No. I shared it. We shared it in the group. The Chinese guy or someone, I don't know, Filipino, he actually fucked her. He didn't pay her the money and she's naked. And she's like, no. You fuck my pussy. You give me the money. Oh, you know. Anyway, that was something else. Anyway, I deleted the video. Don't ask me for the video. Many of you asked me for it. Okay. So what it says here is the law will be effective on January 2022. Okay. So from January 2nd to 2022, it'll raise the legal age of puberty. That means where all the stuff comes out from 14 to 18. So what? Before you guys were 14-year-olds or what? Okay. So, published on 6th December. The new penal law, it looks like penis law. The new penal law, sounds like a sausage law. Penal law decriminalizes consensual relations out of wedlock. Baba, when I was in UAE, I was booming everyone without marriage and, what you're talking? Everyone booms everyone. Okay. Stop acting like you don't know. Okay. Consensual sex out of wedlock. Introduce provisions for unmarried parenting and expand. All bloody rubbish. Okay. Even before you watch the whole video, let me tell you, please keep your relationships private in the Middle East because you do not know which camel or which Arab guy or which Muslim guy will bring Allah Khali and this is Quran and this is Islam and all that and you'll get bamboozled. Okay. It's not your bloody country. You're an expat. You're an outsider. You can have gold visa, diamond visa, or you can have your, a visa on your sausage. You can have platinum visa, but the minute an Arab guy wants to make your life miserable, he can bring Allah, he can bring Quran, he can bring anything and get your life fucked. Okay? So just remember, it's not your country, you'll get bamboozled. As it is in your own country, you can get fucked. When you are an outsider in a country, they'll treat you like an outsider, unless you have a lot of money. So then it says a federal decree, nice, I like. Law number 31 of 2021 and all that bullshit they are talking of all this nonsense. Federal law of number 3 of 1987 is some other crap. Okay, whatever, you can read it. So it seems they highlight the legal age of puberty. That means for fucking from 14 to 18. Very good. Before it was 14. You could legally fuck at 14. Now it's become 18. Good. Finally, common sense. Good. That means victims of rape, sexual molestation, consensual sex, so much of sex under 18 are. Yeah, the vision, 50, UAE is getting into 50 years. They are becoming modern. So everything is sex, sexual molestation, sexual consensual sex and sexual marriage and sexual sex. It seems ever since they signed up with Israel, everything is about sex. Okay. So it says new elaborate definitions on rape. Okay, rape. But let me just inform you. If you are raped by local chokal, then nothing will happen. But, not that but non-local, then you can take him to court. But if it is local chokal, nothing. Because then you have to convert. And forcibly, you better convert or you will be put behind jail. Because remember, it's not your country. Shoo, this is my country. I'm local. Local. Are you feeling that? I'm local. That's what they'll tell you. Okay. So it seems a stipulation for raping women and blah, blah, blah. What about raping men? Nowadays you can rape men also. Yeah, pain in the backside. Okay. The new law raises the juvenile age from 14 to 18, introduces definition of they define rape Okay, rape is rape is rape. Just Google search UAE rape. Where the girl who cries rape, she's jailed. Just Google search. Don't listen to me. Just Google search. So then stipulated death penalty for rape. Oh, just imagine the news. In another universe, multiverse, Emirati local killed, death penalty for raping Filipina, Russian, Indian, Pakistani. Do you ever see that news? Do you ever think that will come? Emirati local. Sheikh. A sheikh is jailed for rape. Put to death for rape. You ever think that's going to happen? Which world are you, Baba? Which world? Okay. So new law separates penalties of life, raping women, death penalty, and all other conditions, all this nonsense. They are saying nothing is going to happen. Some legal consultant says its age is now 18. Okay, all that bullshit. Okay. Then it says, under this new law, unmarried couples over the age of 18 can face 6 months in jail. Unmarried, you're not married, couples can face over the age of 18. That means below the age of 18, nothing will happen. Over the age of 18, 6 months jail if the complaint is raised by, your actual husband or actual wife or custodian. Custodian! I didn't know there was custodian. Oh, they should have put mother, father, but who knows? Maybe you're the boss and they are your slaves. Okay. So, if my wife is fucking someone else, or my husband, not my husband, means someone's husband is fucking someone else, you can put them in jail. Okay. However, the case will be suspended if the spouse or guardian drop the charges. It's okay. My wife was fucking that guy. It's okay. It's cool. It's okay. Oh, my husband, he loves to fuck women. Just leave him. Okay. Yalla. Allah Khali. Everyone happy. Okay, fine. Previously, living with an unmarried partner was punishable by 1 year in the Federal Law number 3 of 1987. Ooh, very bad. The amendments announced last year in a federal... See, simple. Go to some of these sharing, where Filipinos, Indians, Pakistanis, or go to international city. There you'll see so much of extramarital activities. Nothing is happening. In fact, go to, Dera in the night, go to some nightclubs. Our sisters who are coming there with big toing, what they are coming for? 500 only, one shot. One shot? When you go to Jumeirah or anywhere, these cards that they're putting, massage cards. What massage? You think it's spiritual massage? It's like, this is for Jesus. This is for, Bhagwan. This is for Allah. Massage. They put their phone cards with their, I give you special massage, happy ending. Oh, what do you think is happening? What is happy ending? Do you know what is happy ending? Okay. They should also put that law for happy ending, what happens. Okay. So it seems that previously living with an unmarried partner was criminal law. Now it is decriminalized. You can fuck whoever you want. They didn't say that. I'm just saying. The penal law regulates extramarital relations, enable spouse or guardian to raise a lawsuit. Just imagine, husband, wife staying together. Wife depends on the husband. She's going to take the husband to court. Then who the fuck is going to take care of her sorry ass? Okay. However, if the consensual intercourse involved a victim less than 18 years of age, if the consensual intercourse involved a victim less than 18 years of age, the offender faces sexual molestation charges, which is punishable by temporary prison. My ex-girlfriend was lucky I got out. Here's a question. If the victim is less than 8, what if, I'm asking you, she doesn't mind it? Simple question I'm asking. Now, you're talking 18 years. What if a boy has sugar mama? Do you know how many boys have sugar mamas? You don't know. I know because many of them send me emails. So is that also bad? In fact, let me ask you a very simple thing. How many of our local jogals have putangs, nice putangs? Are you going to catch all the Emiratis? As it is, the population is hardly 2%. You're going to catch all of them? What are you going to do? Okay. The only difference, Elias noted, is the law raises the limit of victims to 18 as opposed to 14 or whatever. Okay. The penalty increased to life, temporary imprisonment is all bullshit here. Okay. Now comes the important part, parenting children born out of wedlock. That means you have babies out of wedlock. The UAE latest law introduced a provision of parenting for children born out of wedlock. That means if you have sexual intercourse with a woman who is completed 18 years of age and they give birth to a child, so you will be jailed for minimum 2 years. Okay, before you even go into anything, do you know how many women who have children, thanks to some man, any nationality, they are stuck in the country because they cannot provide a passport? They are still stuck. Huh? They don't talk about all this. If they really are serious about this law, please help those women first, because they're stuck. They are in no man's land. They can't leave the country. They can't leave their children. In fact, if you go to, I think, Ras Al Khaimah or Umm Al Quwain prison, Ras Al Khaimah, I think, so many women who had extramarital affairs with Arab guys, their children are taken. This is as far as I've heard from a doctor who has been to the prison. They take them, convert them, teach them about Islam, and they give this child to a family who can teach them Islamic values. Mother, bye-bye. Now, I don't know how far this is true. I'm telling you what I've heard from a doctor who has been there. So you can tell me if I'm right or wrong. Okay. This I told you, I don't have evidence to prove it. I've heard it from a reliable source who I know. Okay. The couple will not face criminal charges if they get married. Why do you think I got married to my third partner? Because I didn't want jail. That's why I got married. There are so many British, Americans, Westerners who get married to their partner. They are just boyfriend and girlfriend. Just namesake get married so that they can stay without having any issues. Okay. This is basic bullshit here. Okay. Okay. Then they say that if they separately admit parenthood of the child, or jointly, and issue the baby official document, passport, in accordance with the law of the country. This is good. Okay, this I'll say is good. So at least the child is not in no man's land. Okay, then he said, but he stated that unacknowledging a child born out of wedlock is considered punishable by law. Namesake, they will say, yeah, this is my child, but then they may never look after the child. Okay. As of 2022, January 2nd, parents would be committing a crime if they fail to acknowledge the child is born out of wedlock. The previous law, which criminalized consensual relationships out of wedlock, did not set any provisions for parenting. Okay, overall, what did I think of this law? See, UAE wants to show that it is modern. UAE wants to show that, we are contemporary because of its bad image that it has had over the years. Why do you think they're giving the gold visa, like they're giving fucking popcorn and people are posing as if it's something great? You have fucking money, you can go anywhere in the world. It's not just UAE, okay? So ever since they made this new relationship with Israel, they have, been relaxed on laws relating to drugs, COVID, criminal offenses, now sexual relations. Why? Because you can't jail anyone from Israel. You'll get fucked by Israel, you'll get fucked by USA. Okay, so they're trying to show a very modern outlook. Now, is this good or bad? Personally speaking, I think it's confusing because you just don't know what the fuck is going to happen. And I'll tell you one more thing. Dubai, the laws are separate. Sharjah, the laws are separate. Ras Al Khaimah, Al Quwain, Fujairah, all different emirates. You don't believe me? Just compare Sharjah to Dubai. My open challenge to you. Sharjah's laws are Saudi. They follow a Saudi format. Dubai's laws follow a Las Vegas format. It's like a chaotic West. Nobody knows what the fuck is the law. So what would I advise you? I would just say, be on the safer side. Remember, it's not your country. Remember, you can get fucked at any point of time. So just play it smart. And if you're doing any boom boom or any funny stuff, just make sure the person you're doing the boom boom with is smart and has a head on her shoulders, or him, that they don't end up destroying their life and destroying your life as well. This is what I have to say. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. You agree, disagree? I'd love to hear from you. And yeah, have you been to jail? If anyone of you has. If yes, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. This is me signing off. You guys take care.
Are you fed up of life? Earning a pathetic salary, working long hours, having an ungrateful boss, facing office politics, the constant fear of losing your job, and after paying rent, groceries, shopping, and children's expenses, you are left with hardly any savings. Is this the life you dreamed of? Or do you wish to change your life forever? Meet Loy Machedo, the world's #1 personal branding coach. He will help you identify the real you, position and sell yourself by getting the job of your dreams, and make good money anywhere in the world. If you do not believe me, Google his name, Loy Machedo, and you will find 2 million web links online and over 200 recommendations from very happy clients. So the question is, do you want to change your life? If yes, then contact Loy Machedo. www.loymachedo.com. Who is loymachedo.com? Thinkpersonalbranding.com. What are you waiting for? Do it now.